Let's kick it off with the star safety system. It's an entire network of active traction, cornering, and braking technologies that really help in slippery conditions or during emergency maneuvers.
Exactly. So we're basically talking about a suite of systems, including vehicle stability control, ABS, brake assist, traction control, and electronic brake force distribution, right?
Absolutely. It's like this comprehensive package designed to keep you safe by correcting your course if you drift off, especially when you're cornering. Vehicle stability control, or VSC, actually modulates the brakes and throttle to align your path with where the steering wheel suggests you should be heading.
Yep, that's interesting. And then there's the anti-lock brake system, correct? It uses magnetic sensors to compare the speed of each wheel to prevent them from locking up during hard stops.
Exactly. ABS monitors each wheel and pulses the brakes to keep them rolling in sync, ensuring that if one wheel is about to skid, it reacts by pulsing there while still maintaining pressure on the wheels that have a good
Right,
grip.
that's pretty clever. Now, what about brake assist? It seems almost like a co-pilot that senses when you're in a pinch and boosts your braking beyond what you might achieve on your own.
Spot on. Brake assist automatically steps in when it detects, rapid pedal pressure, typical of an emergency stop. It basically applies extra pressure so you get the full benefit of ABS.
Exactly, that's really neat. And then there's traction control. It sounds like in slick conditions, it helps the drive wheels maintain grip during hard acceleration by um, reducing engine power if one wheel starts slipping.
Indeed, and it doesn't stop there. If slowing the engine power isn't enough, it even applies pulsed brake action to that wheel to transfer power to the opposite one. It's like intelligent redistribution of power in tricky
That
moments.
makes sense. Now, I do wonder though regarding electronic brake force distribution. It's supposed to adjust brake pressure based on factors like wheel load and road conditions, right? But do you think it always performs optimally in extreme scenarios?
Good question. EBD works in tandem with ABS, varying the brake pressure according to wheel load, speed, and other factors to maintain control during braking and cornering while still maximizing stopping power. I mean, in theory, it's pretty robust, but in highly extreme situations, there could be limits.
Right, that's a fair point. Also, there's a mention of smart stop technology. It seems to automatically engage when conditions demand, like over a certain throttle and braking pressure threshold, cutting engine output to reduce load on the brakes.
Yep, exactly. When the throttle's pushed more than one third open, the vehicle's moving over 5 mm per count, and the brakes are firmly applied for a bit. Smart stop kicks in. It cuts engine output down to idle, ensuring the brakes do the heavy lifting without extra interference.
That's clever design. So, putting it all together, the star safety system really layers multiple technologies to enhance vehicle control. It's like having several layers of safety nets all working in harmony.
Precisely, it's all about continuous active monitoring and intervention. So whether you're, cornering or making an emergency stop on a slick road, there's a system ready to help.
Yeah, that's truly an engineering marvel. It all sounds quite impressive. This network of systems not only provides more control, but also gives drivers more confidence in unexpected roads and sudden maneuvers.
Exactly. It's like an invisible guardian ensuring safety through smart integrated control.
Absolutely. Uh huh.